Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Solid Trades. Ali here. All right, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to trade the bear market, and how to take advantage of these big moves on the downside. That is AKA shorting, right? And how to be able to short successfully. Okay, and it all comes down to having a good game plan before the pre-market, so before the market opens. And I'm going to be talking about how your mindset needs to be and how you can catch literally like the top moves and to the bottom. Okay, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to first let's talk about let's talk about Facebook. All right, so Facebook here, right now the topic of this video is how to trade the bear market. So we are assuming that we're going to be in a bear market, which is right now we are. Okay, so clearly we know that there has been just huge, free fall of all the stocks. Pretty much market has just been going down lately, and just huge red candles, right? Huge red candles. So what that means is that the market is on a downtrend. Okay, and you always want to stay with the trend. So going into the market, you already know that it's a bear market and you're looking for a short, and how to look for a short, and that's what I'm going to be talking about right now. So what you want to do, the first thing is that you want to make sure, or you want to have levels before the market opens. Okay, so the way you do levels is, for example, in Facebook here, if you can see on the Facebook, so this is today, right? So let's say that this did not happen. This is like this. All right, so market is like this. So what you want to do is you want to first draw the resistance lines here on the market. Okay, so this is the resistance line that you want to draw, because you know these are the previous resistance. The reason why is because the Facebook, for example, in this case, has been just selling off, right? So if it does come up, it's going to come up to these resistance levels and then go down again, most likely. If it doesn't, then it's going to turn up. But if the market is weak, that's what's going to happen, because the idea is that anybody who has bought here, when the stock comes up, they want to get out, and they want to get out in less loss. Or maybe sometimes what people do is when a stock sells off, they add more to the position, and then when the stock comes up, they get out break even. Okay, so first you need to do is you need to have a level drawn. So like I said, I drew a level here because this is the resistance clearly, which is 268 area, and then next would be 274. Then when the market opens, right, so when the market opens, you want to see it comes into those levels. Okay, so right now you see on the 1 minute chart, the stock did come level and had resistance, and it broke, right? So what you do is you want to look for a strategy, which is I use a trend line break. So all you do is you draw a trend. As long as this trend holds, you don't get in. But once it breaks, okay, and so it breaks the support, breaks trend line, then you get short. Then all you do is you calculate your risk. So your stop loss will be about $2. And all you do is, what I do is simply this. All I do is click here, sell, and I sell $2 because $2 is my risk. So automatically we'll put my stop at $2, and then I'm gonna just adjust my limits here. And then I'll just adjust lids at the right as support level, right? Because that's where most likely it's going to come down. So I'll just like take profits along the way. I'll just probably do something like this. So I get short here, comes down, take some profit, take some more profit, and then maybe you let the winner run. But this is what happened, right? I mean, if you want, you can let the winner run, all the way. But again, the risk is very small, but look at the reward is huge. Okay. All we did was we were already aware of this resistance level, and once it hit the resistance level, we looked for a trend line break. Okay, so let's look at another one, ZM. Now if you want to see, I literally called in our pre-market watch list where I said ZM coming down to 50 moving average on the daily chart, and it's probably will find support at that 420 level. However, if it goes up in the morning, look to short at 480 area. Lots of red candles, and here it is, 480 area. So there it is, about 470. It came to this area, so I already had this resistance drawn. So what you do is, first let me just clear it out. So first you want to have resistance drawn, okay, like the so this was today. Okay, so let's go back in the past. So this is the area I have. So I have this area drawn. Now in this case, it did not even really come to it because it was just really too weak. But in the 5 minute, this is the resistance. See, it came right to the T. So this is the resistance, and then this is the resistance. We don't know where it's gonna come. Okay, so what you can do is that once you see these wicks coming, these are the signs by the resistance level. These are the signs. Okay, it could possibly gonna be a short. So what you can do, or you can just look for this trend break here, and then once it breaks, then you can get short here, and your risk will be here. And look what happened. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look Piton. So here again, all you do is first you need to know the market is downtrending. So anything that goes up, it's probably going to get sold out because people are stuck in it. So first you do is you draw the resistance line, which is around this area. Let me just draw it clean. So here's the resistance area. Okay, and look. So I draw the resistance area, which was from before. Look, where did it come down to? Exact to the T, and then it sells off. So you literally have your orders ready to short here. And by the way, about this 116, 117 level, right here in the chat, Piton, similar to ZM, coming from down move, 50 moving average on the daily chart, still far away to go. If it goes up to 17 and shows me wicks, look for a short, guys. I mean, exactly that's what happened. Shows wicks at 117 level around area, look for a short. So what you can do is you can just go and short right here, okay? And look at the risk reward, is amazing, right? And if it goes above, you can just get out and then look for again short opportunity, because most likely it's because look at it, how it's below the moving average. It's very hard for the stock to just keep going up after this huge sell-off. Okay, if you want to go do one more, let's look up Roku. Same thing here. So I'm going to clean up. All right, so what you do is you draw resistance lines. Okay, and you can see here, and then on the 5 minute there's resistance here. Okay, and then so either would come up here or come up here. There are two ways you can play this. You can add like put a short, and then you can have short add to your position here, and then put a stop loss above. If it keeps going up very strong, you get out. So you can have an average here and then it comes down, or you can short here and then have another one, but does never hits you, so that you basically just don't get another fill, and then the stock just goes down. Okay, the cool thing is the risk to reward. I mean, your risk is just small and the reward is huge. Okay, and that's how you trade the bear market. There's so many opportunities, and now when there's a bullish market, it's just the opposite. It's just the opposite. Now what happens is stock comes down first, levels, and then goes up. Okay, that's all it is. And if you just understand this, understand risk management, understand levels, how to find levels, that's it. That's all you need to do. All right, guys, hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys like it, please make sure to subscribe and like, and join my Discord channel. It's free. All right, guys, take care. Bye.